When precision, hygiene, and compliance matter most, you need a flow meter that meets the highest industry standards. Introducing the TMS-A series, 3A sanitary flow meters, designed for the most demanding food, beverage, and pharmaceutical applications. Built with 316 stainless steel and polished to a sanitary finish, our 3A sanitary flow meters ensure accurate and reliable liquid measurement while maintaining strict hygiene compliance. Whether you're handling milk, juices, purified water, or pharmaceutical ingredients, our turbine flow meters deliver high-accuracy measurement with minimal maintenance. Certified to 3A sanitary standards, these meters support clean in place, CIP, and sanitize in place, SIP systems, ensuring seamless integration into your sanitary process. With a quick connect tri-clamp design, installation and removal are effortless, saving you time and reducing downtime. Pair your 3A sanitary flow meter with our advanced electronics and displays for real-time monitoring and data logging. For accurate, repeatable, and sanitary flow measurement, trust Turbines Inc., your partner in precision. Contact us today to learn how Turbines Inc. can enhance your sanitary flow measurement processes.